Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 4 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 881, bots to save people. Okay, so in this problem you are given an array people where people I is the weight of the ith person and an infinite number of bots where each bot can carry a maximum weight of limit. Okay, so limit is given to us. Okay, so one bot can carry this much amount of weight. Okay, and each bot carries at most two people at the same time. Okay, so each bot carries at most two people only. Okay, at most two people only at the same time, provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. Okay, and we have to return the minimum number of bots to carry every given person. Okay, so definitely we have to use greedy approach here because we have to find the minimum number of bots. Okay, so to solve this problem, so what we are going to do, so let's understand this with the these examples. Okay, so let me copy all these examples here. Okay, so see here, this is our first array, first example one. People array is this. Okay, so first I'm going to sort this people array in increasing order. Okay, so after sorting it in increasing order, it is going to look like this: 1 and then 2, right? This is how it is going to look like, right? Then after that, uh, a single bot can carry this much weight, right? 3. Okay, so I am going to use two pointers. Okay, one is my left pointer and one is my right pointer, right? My left is going to start at this index, okay, and the right is going to start at this index. Okay, so right is going to start from end and left is going to start from the beginning. Okay, after sorting my array. Okay, this is my array. Okay, so now after that I am going to check if the weight in the left pointer, okay, if I add the weight in the left pointer with my right pointer, if that weight is less than equal to my limit, okay, I am going to add the weight of this left with the right, and if this weight is less than equal to my limit, then definitely I am going to send both the persons in a single bot, right? So here see what is the weight of both the peoples. Right now this is my array, right? So if I am adding both my left and right, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, and 3 is less than equal to my limit. Limit is 3, right? So I can send both these people in a single bot. Okay, so my answer is 1, right? So now same way when I'm going to solve this for example 2. Okay, so first I'm going to sort my array. Okay, 1 2 2 and then 3. Okay, and limit given to me is 3. Okay, so limit is 3. So first my left is at this position, my left is at this position, my right is at this position. Okay, so I'm going to run one while loop, and in the while loop I'm going to check while left is less than equal to my right. Okay, so both the okay, so left is at 0th index, right? So definitely my left is less than equal to right. Okay, so now I'm going to add both the values. Okay, left plus right. So what is the total output? Total output is 4, right? But my limit is 3 and 4 is not less than equal to 3. Okay, so 4 is not less than equal to 3. So now in this case what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my right pointer to this index. Okay, so I'm going to move my right pointer to this index. Okay, I'm going to move my right pointer to this index, and I'm going to send this person 3 with one bot. Okay, so now this 3 person will move in bot 1. Okay, so now this person 3, okay, having weight 3, I'm going to send him via bot 1. Okay, so at index 3. So now my left is at this position and my right is at this position. Okay, again I'm going to do left and plus right. Okay, so now in this case my left plus right is 3, right? So left plus right is 3 and 3 is less than equal to 3. Okay, 3 is less than equal to 3. In this case what I'm going to do, I am going to move my left pointer one step I'm going to move my left pointer one step forward. Okay, so my left is going to reach at this position and my right one step backward. Okay, and my right is going to reach at this position. Okay, and I'm going to send both these person via one single bot. Okay, so let's say this is my bot 2. Okay, bot 2. Okay, now again I'm going to check while my left is less than equal to right. So yes, both the indexes are same now. So while left is less than equal to right. So okay, so in this case again people at left and people at right both are at same index only. Okay, both the peoples are at the same index in this case. Okay, so now if I do here my people of left, okay, so people of left value is 2 and people of right value is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, right? 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 is less than equal to 3. No, this is false. Okay, this condition is false. 4 is not less than equal to 3. Okay, so now in this case what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my right one step backward. Okay, so my right is going to reach at this position and my left is at this position. Okay, left is at this position only, right? And I'm going to send this person to be about B3. Okay, this single person, and next time I am not going to execute the while loop because my left is now greater than my right. Okay, my left is at this index 1 and right is at index 0. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Okay, so here let's take this example 5142. Let's suppose this is one people array given to us. Okay, these are the different weights of 4 persons and this is a limit 6. Okay, so after arranging the persons array in increasing order, okay, I have to just send the minimum number of votes, right, every time. Okay, so here I am checking first this minimum bit and I'm checking for the maximum bit. Okay, if this combination suits perfectly, then I'm going to send both the people 1 and 5 with the bot 1, right? So because my 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 is the limit. Okay, I'm going to send both the person with the one bot and then I'm going to check for this 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4, my left is at this position, right is at this position. Okay, so 2 plus 4 is 6 and I'm going to send the persons again 1 with one bot B2. Okay, so okay, so I have to check for the minimum and maximum bit. Okay, so I can't check it like this. Okay, 1 and 2, I check for 1 and 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3 and then 3 plus 4 7. Okay, so I don't want to send this person. Let's send both 1 and 2 with both 1. Okay, B1. Okay, both B1. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. No, I don't want to send both the person. Okay, I can't send both the person single bot because limit is 6. Okay, so I'm going to send this with bot B2. Okay, and in the end I'm going to send this person with bot B3. Okay, but this is a bad choice, right? We are using total 3 bots. Okay, and I want to use simply 2 bots. Okay, so what is the best case? Okay, this is my best choice. Okay, this is my best choice. Okay, so every time, okay, because we know that in a bot we can only send at most 2 people. Okay, at most 2 people, we can't send more than 2 people. Okay, at most 2 people. Okay, so that is why I am always checking for the person with the heavy weight and person with the lower weight. Okay, if I can send both the people in a one go, okay, then I am going to send both of them. If not, then I'm just going to send the person with the high weight only. Okay, so that's what I was doing here. Okay, so 1 and 3 I wasn't able to send both the people 1 and 3, then I'm just sending these 3 heavy weight only. Okay, so if heavy weight plus lower weight, okay, is less than equal to my limit, then I'm going to send both of them. But if it is not true, then I'm just going to send the person with the heavy weight. Okay, not with lower weight. Okay, so I'm going to send this heavy weight person. Okay, I'm going to send this person and then my right is going to reach at this position, left is at this position only. Okay, so now this is more simple, right? 3 3 4 5 I have sorted. Okay, so first I am going to check for 3 and 5. So 3 and 5, I'm not able to send both the persons in a one go. Okay, this is lower weight, this is heavy weight. Okay, I'm not able to send, so I'm just going to send this person 5. Okay, 5 is sent, I've sent. Then I'm going to check for 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. I can't send both the person in one weight. Okay, so I'm going to send this person 4. Okay, done. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. I won't be able to send both the person in a single vote, because 6 is less than equal to my 6 is not less than equal to my limit. Okay, 6 is greater than 5, right? So I'm going to send this person with one vote. Then this is the remaining part. Okay, then in the end I'm going to send this person, right? Simple. So I'm going to write the same code is going to be very simple. Okay, code is going to be very simple. So first we are just going to sort. Okay, arrays dot sort my people array. Okay, this is done. And then we have to return a number of boards that we are going to use. So let's create one variable int boards is equal to 0. Then my left is going to start from 0th index, and my right is going to start from end index. Okay, so what is my end index? So this is people array dot length minus 1. Okay, so right is going to start from this index. Then after that I was doing this by left is less than equal to right. Okay, if this is the case, then I am going to check for the person with the lower weight. If people, okay, people dot people at left index, okay, lower weight, okay, heavy weight, people with heavy weight. So here I am going to write right. If this sum is less than equal to my limit, okay, that simply means that I can send both the people in a one go. Okay, if people plus left plus people at right is less than equal to my limit, okay, then I have to move my left plus, okay, and right minus. This is what I need to do. Okay, but if this condition is not true, then in that case I have to just send a simple right only. Okay, I have to just send right only. Okay, so let's not write it here. Okay, let's write it outside only. Okay, right minus and both plus. Okay, so see, uh, we are decrementing right in every case. Okay, if people left plus people right is less than equal to limit, okay, that means that we are going to send both the people in a one go. So left is going to move one step forward, right is going to move one step backward, and both plus. If people at left plus people of right is not less than equal to limit, then in that case only we are going to send my right now. So that is why right minus both plus. Okay, so we have to write right here only. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. And yeah, that's it. Right minus both plus, and in the end just return number of boards. That's it. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, so there is some issue while left is less than equal to right. Boards plus. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. So in this problem, our time complexity is going to be of n log n, since we are sorting the array, okay, for number of people, okay, for n number of times. Okay, so n of n log n, okay, of n log n, and then again we are searching. Okay, again we are using one while loop and iterating over all the elements. So my time complexity is going to be of n log n, and my space complexity is going to be of 1, because we are using only constant values. Okay, left is equal to 0, both is equal to 0, right is equal to people dot length minus 1. Okay, so space complexity is equal to of 1, and my time complexity is equal to of n log n, since we are using arrays dot sort and iterating over all the elements one by one. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.